Greiner Bio1 welcomes you at Euromedlab Rome 2023. The future of pre-analytics starts here. In this video, we would like to show you the progress of digitalization and pre-barcoded tubes in coordination with the software of Tracie. And let's not forget about your safety, because safety and value, that's in our blood. The first step in digitalization are the pre-barcoded tubes. But why are they the future of pre-analytics?
VACUETTE barcode tubes minimize the risk of sample tube mix-ups, while increasing the safety of the pre-analytical and diagnostic process and efficiency. Using the appropriate software solution, information from the pre-analytical process will be automatically processed and generated.
Let's ask Tracie what motivates them to digitalize the pre-analytical process.
We see Tracie as a digital assistant. It is well known that most errors in the diagnostic process occur in the pre-analytical phase. Our goal is to support healthcare professionals in all settings to reduce the likelihood of errors, but also to save time. We see digitization as a way to optimize processes in an increasingly complex and demanding environment.
Here at Euromedlab, Greiner Bio1 and Tracie collaborated to a joint educational workshop called Digitalizing Your Lab, How to and Why. Let's talk with one of our speakers, Chiara Carrisi, what it was all about.
Medical laboratories need to fulfill highest quality requirements while working efficiently and patient-friendly. Digital tools can help us to do this. At Sant'Agostino Lab we have improved digital tools and processes, and we can clearly see the positive outcome. This is what I and my colleague talked about in this workshop. Why should we digitalize labs and how it's possible to do it?
One of our core values is safety. So why does Greiner Bio1 is focusing on the development of safety products?
The consequences of a needle stick injury can have serious implications on the personal and professional life of an individual. We offer a comprehensive range of safety products to fit the individual needs of different people within the healthcare system. Our product range consists of products from basic safety all the way to the highest level of safety.
Looking at the premium safety product VACUETTE EVOPROTECT. Why is it so special, and how can Greiner Bio1 ensure the correct use of the product?
VACUETTE EVOPROTECT features semi-automatic safety mechanism, which significantly reduces needle stick injuries. Just simple click and you are safe. For this reason, it's particularly important to explain to the user how the product works. With Greiner Bio1, you not only have medical technology manufacturer, but also full service provider, which assists you in every stage in your work. Offering worldwide trainings for our distributors, laboratory and hospital staff is one of our core value.
BioOne thanks you for your interest in our products and service. We would be pleased to welcome you to one of our next trade fairs.